Hey everyone, in this video, we will show you how to make money with clipping. First, open your web browser and go to WHOP.com. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on Discover. This will show you a variety of online tools and earning opportunities available on the platform. Next, click on Show All to expand the full list of categories. Now, under the tab of Filter, select Clipping. This will narrow it down to services and communities that offer income potential through clipping content like sports highlights, viral moments, or gaming clips. Then, change the sort by option to highest CPM. CPM stands for cost per mile, or how much you can earn per 1,000 views, so this helps you find the top paying offers first. Click on any of the results that catch your eyes to view more information. Check the price, what's included, and what kind of work is expected. If one doesn't suit your style, just go back and try another one. When you find a good fit, click on Open in WHOP. Now, tap Start Earning. You may be asked to sign up, make a small purchase, or join a community that will guide you on how to begin clipping, uploading, and earning money. Once you're in, follow the prompts instructions and you can begin making money by creating and sharing content. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.